Decision-Making in Teams, The Leadership Team of Magrinson, Inc. by Marilyn Espana. When it comes to decision-making, we like to first and foremost focus on the term of groupthink. So what is groupthink? Groupthink is the psychological phenomenon of thinking irrationally by the desire of maintaining harmony or conformity within the group. In other words, being led by peer pressure. Other common mistakes to be aware of when decision making. First, we like to focus on peer pressure. Secondly, people pleasing, which is almost about the same thing. Third, isolation from the team. Not staying within the common goal, or not taking the time to make a rational decision. Making quick and irrational decisions are all mistakes of decision making. We like to follow the decision-making model. Here we explain a little bit better what decision-making looks like. First, we like to begin by defining the goal, being clear about what the ultimate goal is. Secondly, we like to establish the criteria, for example, budget cuts or other things that might need in order to help the company. Third, we like to focus on choosing good options or alternatives. What is the focus? What are other things we can do to implement in our decision making? Next, analyze and identify the pros and cons. So that means to remove the obstacles or any hindering employees that might be occurring within the group. Next, we like to decide the most logical option for this decision. Eventually, to close, we like to evaluate the effects and results of the decision and then conclude with a final decision. So why would we want to make these changes within a group or a team? Well, these are for better team performance, for better team leadership advancement, for positive and productive work environments, for an organized work schedule, for role clarity. Role clarity will help us to elaborate task management and also eventually walk us into a smooth work-life balance. Look at the bigger picture and remain patient when making decisions. Thank you.